In this video, we focus in solving differential calculus problem about trigonometric function, logarithmic function, exponential function, and maxima and minima problem. Derivative of trigonometric function. Example of this is differentiate the function f of x is equals to quote times 5x squared minus 2. So, f of x equals to quote times 5x minus 2. So, sa ating formula na the derivative of cotangent x is equals to negative cosecant squared times u times du over dx. So, ngayon, sa ating function, hanapin natin ang u. Ang u is equals to with 5x squared minus 2. So, kailangan din natin hanapin ang du over dx. So, i-derive natin ang u, which is the derivative of 5x squared minus 2 is 10x. So, ang du over dx natin ngayon is 10x. So, meron na tayong u, meron tayong du over dx. So, i-substitute natin ito sa ating formula, which is negative cosecant squared times u times du over dx. So, the derivative of f of x is equals to negative cosecant squared times u, which is 5x squared minus 2, times du over dx, which is 10x. So, multiply this. So, the result is the derivative of f of x equals to negative 10x cosecant squared times 5x squared minus 2. Therefore, the derivative of the function f of x equals to quote times 5x squared minus 2 is negative 10x cosecant squared times 5x squared minus 2. Derivative of logarithmic function. Example of this is differentiate the function y is equals to log of 5x minus 2x cubed with the base of 7. So y is equals to log of 5x minus 2x cubed with the base of 7. So sa ating formula, which is the derivative of log u with the base a is equals to the derivative of u over u ln a. So sa ating function ngayon, hanapin natin ang u, derivative of u and a. So ang u natin ngayon sa ating function is 5x minus 2x cubed. So kailangan natin itong i-derive. The derivative of 5x minus 2x cubed is 5 minus 6x squared. So, ang ating derivative of u is equals to 5 minus x squared, 6x squared. At ang ating a, which is the base, 7. So, meron na tayong u, meron na tayong derivative of u and a. So, kailangan na lang nating i-substitute ito sa ating formula. So, ang ating formula is derivative of u over u ln a. So, ang ating derivative of u, which is 5 minus 6x squared over ang ating u, which is 5x minus 2x cubed times ln ang ating a is 7. So, ln a or ln 7. So, the answer is the derivative of y is equals to 5 minus 6x squared over 5x minus 2x cubed times ln 7. Derivative of exponential function. Example, differentiate the function f of x equals to 3e to the power of 3x squared plus 4x. So, f of x equals to 3e to the power of 3x squared plus 4x. So, the formula of this is if the derivative of e to the power of u is equals to e to the power of u times du over dx, where u is a function. So, magiging 3 times copy the EU, which is a 3x squared plus 4x, then times the derivative of the u, which is 3x squared plus 4x. Kicking 3 copy e 3x squared plus 4x times the derivative of 3x squared plus 4x is 6x plus 4. Magiging multiply 3 times 6x plus 4 times e 3x squared plus 4x. So multiply, so the result is the derivative of f of x is equals to 18x plus 12 times e to the power of 3x squared plus 4x. Therefore, the derivative of the function f of x equals to 3e to the power of 3x squared plus 4x is 18x plus 12 times e to the power of 3x squared plus 4x. Maxima and minima problem. A rectangle box is to be made from rectangular piece of plywood which is 3 inches by 8 inches. Find the value of the largest box that can be made in this way. So you can see the diagram of the box. This line is the 8 inches side and this is the 3 inches side. So let L or length is equals to 8 minus 2x. So ang ating length is 8 minus 2x. And the width or W is equals to width is equals to 3 minus 2x. And h or height is equals to x. So the formula is V is equals to length times width times height. So substitute L or length, which is 8 minus 2x, times W or width, which is 3 minus 2x, times height, which is x. So 8 minus 2x times 3 minus 2x is equals to 4x squared minus 22x plus 24 is equals to x. So magiging 4x cubed minus 22x squared plus 24. So kailangan natin i-derive. So derivative of 4x cubed minus 22x plus 24 is equals to 12x squared minus 44x x pala dito plus 24. That is dv over dx. So ngayon, derivative of v or dv over dx is equals to 0. So magiging 12x squared minus 44x plus 24 is equals to 0. So hanapin natin ang kanilang common. So 4 divided by 12 is 3 squared minus 44 divided by 4 is 11x plus 44 divided by 4 is 6. So 0. So ang sa loob ng parenthesis, hanapin natin kaniyang factor. So 3x minus 2 and x minus 3 is to 0. So kailangan natin 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. So 3x negative 2 transpose to the right maging 2 divided by 3. So maging x equals to 2 3 or x is equals to 0.67. Sa kabila, x minus 3 is equals to 0. X transform negative 3 to at magiging positive 3. So, ang ating x ngayon is x equals to negative 2, x equals to 2/3 or 0.67 and x minus 2. So, ang ating x ngayon ay ito. Bakit? Dahil x minus 3, x must not be equal to 3 because 8 minus 2x times 3 minus 2x times x will be negative. So, maging negative 18. So, hindi siya pwede. So, ito ang hanap natin. So, substitute natin itong x natin dito sa formula na to. So, b is equals to 8 minus 2x times 3 minus 2x times x. So, magiging 8 minus 2 times 0.67 times 3 minus 2 times 0.67 times 0.67. Magiging 11.0556 times 0.67. So, magiging 7.41 inches. Therefore, the value of the largest box that can be made is 7.41 inches.